Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade using Discord, step by step. We'll begin by understanding why Discord has become a popular hub for traders worldwide. You'll learn how this platform connects you with a vast network of like-minded individuals, offering real-time information and collaborative analysis. It's a powerful tool for enhancing your trading journey, providing immediate access to market insights and community support. Let's dive in and explore its potential together. Now, let's get your Discord ready for trading. Start by downloading the application and setting up your free account. The next crucial step is joining a reliable trading server. Always use invitation links from trusted sources to ensure safety. Once inside, customize your notification settings. You'll want to receive important alerts, but avoid being overwhelmed by constant pings. This setup ensures you stay informed without unnecessary distractions, creating an efficient trading environment. Once you're in a server, understanding its structure is key. Trading servers usually have dedicated channels for different purposes, such as real-time alerts, in-depth analysis, or general market discussions. Pay close attention to how trading signals are presented. They are often concise and require quick interpretation. Don't hesitate to engage with the community by asking questions and sharing your own insights. This active participation can significantly enhance your learning and decision-making process. Finally, let's talk about smart trading practices. It's absolutely essential to prioritize risk management in every single trade you make. Never invest more than you can comfortably lose. Always verify any trading signals or information you receive independently before acting upon them. Remember, Discord is a tool for information and community, not a guarantee of profits. Continuous learning and thorough due diligence are your best allies for long-term success in the markets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.